Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking about how you can actually factory restore or reset all your camera settings. So you might be trying to figure out how you can reset your iPhone camera settings back to their default settings. So now this can be a bit of a process, if I'm being honest with you. If you go to your if you want to, you can also try the following the default setting by finding an image or a video of the original camera setting and manually remapping from this, like this. You can manually remap from a button like this, and while this isn't a true reset, but it is very close to the alternative. However, if you still want to fully reset your camera settings, the only way to do this by resetting all your settings on your iPhone, which might be annoying, but it is necessary. If you are okay with that, open up your iPhone settings, and after opening up your iPhone settings, you need to go to the general, and after going to the general, just swipe up and you see that there is a transfer or reset option here. Just tap on it, and as you can see that there's a reset option here. Just tap on this and all the options will come up of reset from here, but you need to select a reset all settings. It will automatically reset your camera settings, including your all phones settings, and an option like this will come up. Once you do this, make sure that it will reset everything, your Wi-Fi, your data, and everything which were originally into your personal preferences or settings. It got resetted into default mode. So nothing going to be deleted, but it is going to reset all the settings into default mode. So that's how you can actually reset your camera. If you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll try to figure out in upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like the content. Please give a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye bye.